Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set a live wallpaper on your Windows PC using a free tool from the Microsoft Store. Let's get started. First, go to the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Once it appears, click to open it. Now, use the search bar at the top to look for Live Wallpaper app. From the search results, find the Lively Wallpaper app and click on it. Then, click the Install button to install it. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll see a selection of live wallpapers displayed on your screen. Browse through them, choose the one you like, and click the three dots. From the drop-down menu, select Set as Wallpaper. That's it. The live wallpaper will now be applied to your desktop. If you feel like the wallpaper options are limited, don't worry. The app is regularly updated and more wallpapers will be added over time. And that's how you set a live wallpaper on your Windows PC. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.